In the quest to provide a standard healthcare delivery system driven by passion and service, a world-class medical facility was established.
At Alliance Hospital, our vision is to stop medical tourism from Nigeria. We operate a one-stop multi-specialty hospital with a core focus of providing efficient and safe medical services.
We achieve this by engaging the resources of highly skilled and well-motivated team of medical specialists to meet the health needs of everyone.
With some of the latest high-tech cutting-edge equipment such as MRI, CT scan, digital X-ray, echocardiography scan, kidney dialysis machines, standard ICU, 3 standard theater suites, and many other sophisticated medical facilities.
We successfully diagnose and treat a variety of complex medical conditions within the human body with razor-sharp precision.
Complex procedures such as joint replacement surgery, brain and spine surgery, kidney transplant, arthroscopic surgery, and other high-end medical and surgical procedures are a commonplace in Alliance Hospital.
We also run a wellness clinic for routine medical checks and counseling.
We are situated in the heart of Abuja at number 5 Malum Fashi Close off Emeka Anyaku Street, Area 11, Gariki, Abuja. Website www.alliancehospitalabj.com. Phone 080-971-42623.
Before you fly out of Nigeria for Medicare, try Alliance Hospital, situated at the heart of Abuja, Nigeria.
Alliance Hospital, your one stop for multi-specialty care.